So before this vlog even begins, I want to apologize in advance ahead of time for the way that the fireworks show came out. If you was watching the fireworks show, you could see I was only filming the fireworks. I never turned the camera on myself at all because it was dark and you couldn't see me. I was filming the fireworks and I didn't notice until I came in to get the finale firework that my shutter lens on this camera was halfway open because it's all broken. I got to get a new camera and you can only see half of the fireworks, but I did salvage a little videos from my brother's Snapchat last night. Thank you to him for making those videos, and he saved those videos to his phone. I'm going to put them at the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and understanding, and I will see you guys next time. Happy 4th of July, everybody. My knee is banged up very, very badly. My camera is shot. The camera is done for. I'm ordering a new one this weekend. I got to. Rest in peace, Calvin. 2012 to 2016, we had a good ride. I wonder if you can see me. No, not really. So, well, I don't know if you guys know, but we went to a park yesterday. I did have it on film, but I deleted the clip. I was too embarrassed to put it in. It's like stairs. You walk up the little stairs to get to the slides, the monkey bars, that kind of thing. I thought the stair was a little lower than what it actually was, and I tried to jump up, and I landed dead straight on my knees on metal stairs. The stairs was pure metal. I jumped up and landed right on my knees. I ain't land on my feet first, nothing. Straight on my knees, and my knees are swollen and banged up, so I overshot that big time. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, because I'm having a good day. It's the 4th of July weekend, and good food, good barbecue, and fireworks are going on later, so make sure you guys stick around to the end of this video for the fireworks show. Something like last year. 4 hours away. I'm still not sure how I'm gonna do the fireworks. Am I gonna say what I'm lighting first, or am I just gonna light it? I don't know. But I know last year was very, very, very dysfunctional. It was all over the place. Matter of fact, I gotta charge this camera battery right now, so next time you see me might be in a fireworks show. Well, this here is the cascade of color. Where is the, here it is. How long do it take to go? I don't know. Let me get back. Cascade of color. Woo! Nice. We doing a double shooter here. This is the Gangsta Blast. All right, go ahead. This is the Gangsta Blast and the Galactic Glitz. Make sure you see where your wick at. I'm like that one. Right here.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it this way. So I'll go this way, you go
Yeah. You good? That's Galactic Glitz and Gangsta Blast. Woo, that was pretty. Super stock car and Blue Ring Willow. Ready?
Sorry, I'm ready.
I'm lit. Light.
Oh shit!
Light. Run.
Fuck!
Get back. We ain't done yet. There we go. I hope you guys got the chance to see the fireworks. I don't know, because this camera is broke. Oh, I probably didn't get none of the fireworks because my lens on my camera is broke. I am so sorry, guys. But I'll try and get this last one for you. It's the what is it? It's the laser twist, and it's gonna be the Supersonic Warhead 12 shot. Come on there. Me and my brother lighting it.
Wait. Where my wick at?
Feel for it. Right here.
I want to turn it this way.
Right there.
Alright.
Let's get it. And then they go blur. This is the finale. Wow, amazing. Make sure my lens is flipped out. I'm gonna do an explosion test. We're gonna compare Thundercrackers, Black Cat firecrackers, and Thunder Bombs. Let's do it. That was Thundercrackers. Next up is Black Cat firecrackers. That's Black Cats. That's Black Cat. And this one, the last one, is Thunder Bombs. Okay, the color. Woo. Okay, the color. Woo.
Bro, I'm about drunk as hell like these. Like, oh shit.